Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can also watch the pick a card love reading, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Eight of Spheres in reverse, the Hierophant in reverse and Ace of Swords. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your personal life. You are, holding on something to you and you do not want to listen to anyone today. Maybe you have your own ideas and based on the experience you have in your life, you are holding on to certain things and you don't want to listen to your mentor or your parents or siblings. So people who are really concerned about you, you are not willing to listen to them, guys. And you are, you are ready to face anything for those views or ideals you hold. So to avoid such difficulties, people are suggesting you certain things, but you are not willing to listen. So it may be your situation in work or it may be the way things are in this relationship. Maybe people are telling you certain things, but you are not willing to listen to them, guys. So that is what I see, guys. And also in your situation, in your work or in your relationship, this person you love, maybe for some of you, they are not serious enough. Maybe they are not responsible or serious. They are taking this relationship casually. So you feel really really stressed because of that, because you are someone devoted and responsible, caring and loving, but this person's attitude is something beyond your grasp and you don't know what they are thinking or what they are feeling today. So their attitude is something quite different and you are unable to understand, guys. Taurus, that is what I see, guys. But there is also a new beginning reaching you today. It may be a new beginning in your relationship or a new beginning in your work, maybe a beginning of some projects or something positive. So some kind of a beginning, maybe a birth of an idea, or your ideas have reached success or it is unfolding in a successful way, something that makes you happy and giving you joy. So some kind of a positive change is also happening in your situation today, guys. So Taurus, so let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Seven of Moons. So with this card in your relationship, guys, this may be what you feel towards this person or what they feel about you. So today, maybe you have a lot of plans, a lot of dreams for yourself, and you are simply thinking about that dreams or fantasies you have, but you are not aware of reality. Maybe you are simply chasing behind those dreams and expectations. So you need to be really careful, guys, today. If you are doing that, you may leave your life path and go away from your purpose So you need to be clear. If you have some kind of a dreamy attitude towards this relationship, you have to, what to say, be really careful, or this may be their energy towards this relationship, guys, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have the moon in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe there are certain things happening today, and maybe for some of you, you are not ready to give up your vision or your ideals or your expectations. So there are some kind of blocks for you to see what is the truth. So there is a chance of lot of mistakes happening in your work situation. Things may go in a unforeseen way, unexpected way. So you need to be really careful, guys, Taurus. That is what I see, guys, with these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading. That is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it's from nothing to everything. So that is the card for y'all, guys. So with this card, it just means that today in your situation, in order to receive something fresh, new, and something great for you, something much better than your dreams or fantasies, you need to let go, maybe become empty. So we need space to receive something that is coming in our life, guys. This may mean letting go of the attachment you have towards your person in order to receive that genuine love that is coming towards you. And maybe you are holding on to your fantasy about a dream job, but today for that most soulful, passionate and successful occasion, you have to accept some guidance in your life today, guys. It just means that you need to take one day at a time, guys. Live one day at a time and maybe surrender the fantasy, dream or a story, whatever we have for ourselves, because reality is knocking at our door, and with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So what is the best? It will be better than our dreams or fantasies. So that is what is coming towards us. And maybe the dying of this dream or fantasy is really stressing us. It may be really painful, giving us a lot of grief. But dying to that attachment or the opinions we have, that is what is happening. And this is the time we can stop dreaming and start living. So that is what is unfolding in our life today, and we should not fear this process that is happening and embrace this process without expectation for future, and have trust in your heart that divine energy or God or universe, whatever you call it, is simply guiding you from fantasy into fulfillment, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what is the card. It says withdraw. So will this card, guys, in your situation, it just means that we need to see things differently. So maybe we need time alone, maybe. So withdrawing does not mean breakup or trying to avoid that situation. It just means that we need a temporary disengagement from that circumstance in order to get clarity. So when we have time alone, that rest gives us time for a better clarity in our situation and inner wisdom to discern all facts. So you need to be really if you want to be really clear about the way things are in your life and see things as it is for what it is in truth, you have to see it with a different perspective. See it as a third person. Only then you will be able to see your situation without being judgmental. Just observe your situation, allow thoughts to flow, and you will know what is the right thing or what is the right way to handle your situation, and you will have that guidance in your heart and insight into your circumstance, guys. So whatever problems you are facing today in this relationship, you need, if you want that inner wisdom, you have to take time to think alone, guys. So get that clarity. So that is the energy with this angel guidance card here for you all. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.